Namaste, friends. I am Ramanand Dikshit, and today it is a surprise for you all. And this is an occasion that I have to come live on the Facebook. Is the reason recently I read the book of one of my friend, Rupert Spira. Basically, he is a potter professionally, and he is also a teacher in non-duality, and he has published a book, Being Aware of Being Aware. This is a great book. I read it, and I have also viewed so many of his podcasts and videos on the essence of non-duality. Since 2 and 3 years, I also came across with my one of the friend, Dr. Deepak Chopra. He is from Indian origin, and now he is residing at United States of America. And he is also the explorer of consciousness. Now, the world is approaching and finding out what is the fundamental truth of existence, and the reason why the non-duality is becoming more popular. Not only more popular, but it is the only way that has been left out for a mankind. In this background, so far as non-duality and the Advaita Vedanta are concerned, in India itself, these concepts have been emerged, and more particularly, there are luminaries who have given their footprint on the aspect of non-duality, such as Adi Shankaracharya, and thereafter Ramana Maharshi, Nisargadatta Maharaj, and so on and so forth. But what I have come across with one of such a great Advaita Grantha, which has been written by Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami, way back 400 years ago, and this is called as Grantha Raja Dasabodha. And my task is, I don't know whether some of them have taken recourse to say about the non-duality on the aspect of this Dasabodh or not. But I have also come across with some people that such as Sunil Chincholkar, who has thoroughly studied Dasabodh, and he has also made some of his publications such as Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga from the extracts of the Dasabodha. And there are also my friends on the Facebook, such as one Samir Limaye. He is also doing work in propagating the teachings of Samartha Ramdas Swami. Somehow, because of the language barrier and all that, the teachings of Samartha Ramdas Swami are not reaching globally, and therefore I have ventured to take note of the fact that whether Samartha Ramdas Swami have taught us directly regarding the non-duality, and whether this is the only Advaita Grantha or not, and more particularly the direct path, as there are so many pathways to realize the Supreme Being or to recognize it in their own way. There are also progressive paths. But progressive paths can take some time, and there are ladders in the sense. But my journey and my understanding insofar as non-duality and particularly the direct path is very astounding. And in that regard, Samartha Ramdas Swami also expresses it in Dasabodh. I don't know where it comes exactly, but I will cover up in my future sessions. They say that पिपलिका मार्गे हळू हळू घडे विहंग में फळासी गाठी पडे. This is what they expresses about the non-duality and the more particularly in the direct path. Therefore, from the beginning, how Samartha Ramdas Swami, everything has been written by them. Nothing has been left out. insofar as a human being, since born up till his ending and departing from this body, and what are all his aims and the practices to achieve one's own immortal being while living itself, not after the death or somewhere at any point of time. Therefore, I have planned it to the extent that the Dasabodh must reach to globally and in the sense of the essence of non-duality, and more particularly the direct path, as easily as possible to everyone. And the mode of language is not also a barrier. Therefore, I am taking this task of the essence of non-duality series by making my lecture series for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes. I don't know how long it will go. And I request all of you that this task must reach to the people as much as possible and as far as possible. And therefore, if you feel free, you can advise me. You can, after going through, while these series are going on, you can teach me and guide me in a particular manner. And I also advise you to go through the books published by my close friend Rupert Spira, and he lives in London, England. And my another friend, Dr. Deepak Chopra, his publications and videos and satsangs are all coming on every day. And in that way, if anybody understands that what is the non-duality, and in more particularly the direct path, how we have to recognize ourselves in a well-disciplined manner. I hope you all are having kind enough to support me and share the video to all your acquaintances. And I also expect from you that there are only two aspects, the non-duality and more particularly is the direct path. Direct path in the sense there are also progressive paths, japa, mantra, dhyana, tapassu, meditation, all is one side. And the direct path is without anything else. As I told you, piplika marge halu halu ghade, vihangame phalasi gathi pade. And that is what that vihangama in the sense the akashic field, akash marg. So in that particular way. There are no words for that. It is only for understanding, for the sake of understanding, that it has been told by Samartha Sadguru Ramdas Swami. So, in that particular way, I wanted to explore what Samartha Ramdas Swami has taken a task to feed the real truth, the essentiality of a human being. Therefore, I once again request you all to please cooperate with me and bear with me, and also I invite your kind suggestions to spread the message across the globe. The only thing is that I never thought of doing any videos and all that, but I have got the point that there are people, those who have ventured into propagating Samartha teachings to all over the world. But in this particular way, the main theme of that Advaita Grantha, and I am going to talk with you how that is the Advaita Grantha. The Samartha Ramdas Swami Grantharaja Dasbodh itself is why is the only Advaita Grantha, and how it attributes to that extent is all my passion that I have to talk to you. And more particularly, I started reading Grantharaja Dasbodh since my childhood, when I was 10 years old, and continuously till today I am reading it. Till today I am reading it. And this is such a beautiful expression of Samartha Ramdas Swami. Since from the beginning. There are 20 dashakas in the Dasabodh. There are 20 dashaka. Dashaka means a formation of 10. A set of 10 samasas is called as dashaka. And in one dashaka there are 10 samasas. Totally 20 dashakas and 200 samasas. And I am not going to read all the from the beginning to end. Starting introduction and last samasa is Vimala Brahma Nirupana. They conclude with Vimala Brahma Nirupana and starts with Shrote Pusati Kona Grantha. And this is what is the Grantha. They starts from the beginning and ends in the Vimala Brahma Nirupana. And I have read this in my entire life. Until today I am reading it and nurturing it. And that is the way that I am able to talk on this aspect. But nevertheless, Samartha also tells in one of the Dashaka 14 and Samas 1, where while narrating about the Nishpraha Shikavana, Nishpraha Lakshana, while narrating the Nishpraha Lakshana, they tells about and reminds me, and it applies to me also. What they say, Samshayatmaka bolo nahi, bahuta nischaya karu nahi, nirvahe veena dharu nahi, grantha hati. Nirvahe veena in the sense, if you are having the capacity to explain, you are having that capacity that it should not be, come with any hesitation, sense of dissatisfaction and all that. And This is the Advaita Grantha in the means Pratyayache Brahmadhyana. Pratyayache Brahmadhyana. Pratyaya in the sense conviction. And how Samartha Ramdas Swami has taught us very easily, very, very simple. And I am so graced and blessed by this Advaita Grantha. And Samartha is still living with us in the form of this Grantha. In the form of this Grantha, Samartha Ramdas Swami is still living with us. And they say at the time of departing from this physical body, नका करू खटपट पहा माझा ग्रंथ नीट जेणे सायुज्याची वाट गवसेल की. This is what very, very astoundingly and very perfectly and very, with a great conviction. I am here with you, and all the time, and I am in the form of this Grantha. So, we have to take note of the Samartha teachings, and in that way we have to nurture, and I am intending to nurture more particularly with the great theme and essence of non-duality, and also the direct path and how it should be done. Therefore, I once again kindly request you, all of you, those who are associated with Dasbodh and Manache Shlok. Samartha Kritis are also there. Manache Shlok is there. And another one is Atmaram. Atmaram is also a wonderful book. Atmaram. Atmaram is a great book. But whereas this Grantharaja Dasbodh is concerned, this is great. It has been covered all the topics of human tendencies and how a human being can be purified into that supreme being is all narrated in the Grantharaja Dasbodh. Therefore, I request all of you to cooperate with me and bear with me, and as possible as you can share the videos. I will also provide my YouTube link, and provided whether, I don't know whether somebody has done on this aspect, and more particularly in English language or not. But anyway, I have made up my mind to do this work, and I definitely hope that Samartha will also help me, and they themselves can get the work done. Therefore, I hope you will do the needful. Thank you.